We're about to play a card game. Here's what happens first. I am the dealer and I pass out 1, 2, 3, 4 cards to my partner and 4 cards for myself. This then goes down and we have a discard pile and a draw pile. Come here. Now we will look at our cards. We don't want anyone else to see them. We will always have 4 cards in our hand. The goal of the game is to get as close to 0 as possible. We never put any cards down, always in our hand. Now, this is a 9. I'm going to draw this. Because these combine to make 0, and I want to get to 0 as close as possible. When I draw a card, then I must also discard a card. Now, Miss Gatlin could choose this card, or she could draw a card to see which number she wants. She will then discard one. I don't want that number because that doesn't help me, so I will draw. Okay, well, these are pretty close together, so I'm going to keep that one and get rid of that one. You're going to do that 2 more times with your partner. We'll fast forward. Miss Gatlin, pretend we played it 2 more times. We will put our final cards down. The person with the closest to 0 wins. Let's take a look at mine first. 9 and -9 cancel to 0. I have 0 and +1, so my final score is 1. Let's take a look at Miss Gatlin's.
I have 0 and -7. I have 7 and -7 that cancel out to 0. -3 + 2 would equal -1.
And we can solve that on our number line by starting at -3 and then moving 2 spots in the positive direction. So Miss Gatlin, you have -1. I have +1. We're both 1 spot away from 0, so we tied.